Hi everyone! I received a lot of requests on how I tied a particular kit, which is now sold out. But this can actually be done with any long scarf and any square Israeli scarf that we sell at Wrapunzel. The Israeli tichels are 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters and they are cotton. So any one of these will do well. I've got a vintage Israeli in blue right here, and I've got a shiny licious, and I think it's mulberry that we call it. So the original kit was done with a special blue shiny licious and a green vintage Israeli, but you can do it with another long scarf as well, but I'm going to do the shiny licious because it is grippy and it's what was originally in the picture. Now this is interesting. I had to deconstruct this wrap because I actually didn't remember what I did in the photo. What I did is I decided which side do I want all my bulk, all my tails. So I'm going to decide that I want it on my right side because I'm left-handed and I do a lot more with this arm and I don't want the tails to get into my way. So I start off with the tail shorter on my left side, basically the opposite side that I want all the tails. So shorter tail here, longer tail here, because it's going to switch once I tie the knot at the back. Okay, tie that knot. Boom. Okay. This tail right here is going to remain here for the duration of however long you have this wrap on. Okay, now I take my square Israeli tichel, fold it into a triangle, aka put two of the points together on opposite ends, and now I've got a giant triangle. And then I just tie it like so. Basically, it's going to be kind of a veil style. It's going to continue hanging down the back. I want ample shimmery showing at the front. I flip around the middle point here to get it out of my way when I tie this at the bottom. And I just do a simple knot right here. Okay, this is also here going to be just remaining down here. Meaning the tail is going to, these tails are going to remain. What I'm going to work with is these two tails here. Now for some reason for the modeling photo shoot, I decided that I only wanted tails here. So basically what I did is I took this tail on this side and I bring it over, because this is what's gonna twist around this. Hope that makes sense. You'll see. So basically bring both of your under Israeli tichel ties, basically the side ties, bring them both to this side, but let the middle tie continue hanging down because that's your veil. It's very good for the summer to have a hanging triangle veil down your neck, because then you protect your neck from the sun. Okay, then I take my longer side of my shimmery and I bring that around. Again, there's lots of tails in this wrap. I do it nice and thick at the top. Okay, I'm just gonna, I have actually the photo of what I did on my computer because I want to make sure I do it right. It's difficult for me to remember. So nice and straight, thick at this side, and then this is also going to come down. Now what I do is I grab one of my Israeli tails, and I'm going to use this to secure the shimmery. I'm not going to tie the shimmery to anything. And I'm going to make this blue tail quite thin. I'm going to lean down to show you. Let me just, I have my phone on magnetiles here. Not real magnetiles, like imitation ones. Actually, no, I think they are real. I don't know. A friend gave it to me. So I tie my knot here. And then when I bring this up, I'm going to let the shimmery peek through right here. And don't worry if you don't get enough shimmery showing once you start off doing this. You can always actually use your thumbs to like make it show a little bit extra. And then I think for the picture I only did it twice, but you know what? I'm feeling a little crazy today, so let's do it 3 times. Okay. You can leave it only twice twisted if you want. So then what I'm doing is I'm basically having this show up on the side, and then I take this little tail and tuck it underneath the shimmer here. Can you see? So that gets tucked under there. And basically I have a whole bunch of tails. It's basically 3 tails I've got here. 1, 2, and 3. And then I have this veil part here. This is nice and thick on this side. And this is how it is. This is how I tied it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.